Good day everyone. Welcome to Renzo's World channel. Today I want to share to you a free and open source solution that you can use to make an online assessment or exam for your children or students. You can even expand this into an online learning system. This video is intended for parents who wish to have a supplemental tool that they can use at home for their children, and even for schools who wants to have an online learning platform but just cannot afford to subscribe to existing online learning management systems or LMS. My system right here is not a full-fledged LMS, and it was just installed and running on my laptop or PC. But it is already good enough, in my own biased opinion, to be used as an online learning platform. Take note, there is a big difference between an online learning platform and an online learning management system. I currently use this system just to review my son, who is now in grade 2, in his lessons from online school. Now, let me demonstrate to you how I will create a review quiz for my son. Let's start. So first, I'm going to log in to my account. My role here is a teacher. So I'm going to log in. So as you noticed, I have a teacher's menu here where I can manage the quizzes, and add new link. And there's a student menu here where all the quizzes are being displayed, and there's even English lessons here. If I click this one, so I can learn about nouns, and there's also a video showing I took from YouTube that discusses about nouns. So your child will not be tempted to check other videos anymore in YouTube, because he doesn't need to open the YouTube page anymore. So now this video is about creating a quiz. So let's go first to manage quizzes, and there are many things you can do here. So you can create and manage quizzes, administer quiz settings, quiz results, score quizzes. So I just need to click quizzes here and then add a quiz. So let's say, for example, I'm going to comparing and ordering numbers quiz. And then taking options. Are you going to allow users to go back and revisit questions already answered? I will not allow. Allow skipping? I will not allow. And allow resume? I will allow resume. Allow jumping? I will not allow jumping. Allow changing answers? If you allow to change their answer, allowed to go back, so I will not allow to change the answers. And then if I scroll here, what am I going to do with the answers, the results? Am I going to store only the best result or the newest result, or all of it? I'm going to store all of it. And then randomization, I'm going to random the order of the questions. Now, how many attempts will I let the student allow to take? 3 times. Pass or fail, this is for the rating. Feedback. So after the quiz, I want to display all the questions and how many attempts and whether it's correct or wrong. Also the score. And after each question, I'm going to display the question and whether it's correct or wrong. I'm going to make a URL. Let's say that one, and then save. So you now have created a quiz, but there are no questions yet. So let's add a question. So long answer question is for essays, matching questions like matching column A and column B, but here you just have a multiple questions, multiple choice, and then this also multiple choice question. I show you what's the difference between the two. There's also short answer questions like fill in the blanks and a true or false question. So for example, let's have true or false question. Evaluate (678) greater than 687. Is it true or false? It is false. So you indicate the correct answer because 678 is less than 687, and then you save it. You now have one question, and then let's have one multiple choice. Second question, sample this one. Choose the number that will make the statement true. So blank less than 346. So a simple scoring here, and our choices will be 348. Another choice 347. Another choice 346. Let's have another choice 345. So let's indicate the correct answer. The number is 346. So what is the number that is less than 346 here? 348, 347, 346, 345. So this is the correct answer. If he chooses this answer, then he will get 1 point. Then save. So we now have true or false, we have multi-choice. How about this one, matching question? For the matching question is number 3. Just choose the correct answer from the given choices. Okay, so for example, this one question should be here. So what place value is used to compare 482 greater than 472? So this compare tens, right? Add another question. Which place value is used to compare 332, 331? This ones. Add another questions. Question. Which value 4,900 291. This is thousands. Let's add another question. Let's use this one. So this is hundreds. You compare the hundreds place value. Let's arrange this ones first, tens, hundreds, then thousands, and then let's save this question. So we now have true or false multiple choice matching type. So if we get all those 4 questions correct, we'll get a maximum score of 4. The rest are 1 point each. So if I click submit, I can review the quiz by taking the quiz before I let the students take it. So question number 1, choose the number that will make this statement true. Oh, that is hard. I want to skip. Access denied. I cannot skip, so I have to go back. Choose the number that will make this statement true. 346. Let's choose the correct answer. And this one, 678. This is false. Let's choose the correct answer. Next question. About this. Which place value is used to compare ones, tens, hundreds, thousands? This is wrong. This is correct. This is wrong. And this is wrong. So I only got 3 out of 6 possible points, so I have 50%. So first question is correct, second question is correct, and the third question I only got 1 correct. The rest are wrong. So I can retake again. I click this. Oh, it doesn't appear yet in the student menu. So let's add this link here, which we created a while ago. Let's add this link right over here. Add new link, and then that's the title of the quiz. Copy this, make it our description, and place that link under the student menu. If we save it, it's right over there. I can also place it above. Okay, if I save it, it will be in the top, so I can modify the sequence of these quizzes. So let's save it. It's done. Then let's log out. So I'm going to log in as a student. So Renzo's account. Then here I'm going to take the exam or the quiz. Start the quiz. What if I'm going to question number 3, access denied? I should go back. Should answer this one. Which place value is used to compare? Oh, this is in the hundreds. This one is in the tens. This one is in ones. This one is in the thousands. So you compare the thousands place value in order to get the right answer. Next. Okay, they're all correct. Next question. If I'm going to go back to number 1, I am not authorized to go back to question number 1. Question number 2. So it indicates here this is question number 2. Choose the number that will make the statement true. Okay, say for example I will answer this. So I'm wrong. And then question number 3. This one should be false. Going to click finish. No, I'm going back to number 2. I am not allowed. So I should be finishing this one. This is true. Finish. So Renzo's quiz result in math comparing and ordering numbers quiz. I've got 5 out of 6 possible points. So 5 over 6. So my number 2 is wrong. Number 2 is wrong. Number 3 is correct. Number 1 is all correct. I'm gonna retake again. What will happen if I'm going to take again? By the way, I can view my results here. So date started, date finished is also the time, finish the score. If I click this one, no, I'm not allowed to click that one. I can take because this one is only for teachers. If we log out, log in again, wrong key. So here I'm going to go to this exam. This results tab here will display all the scores of all the students or all the users who took the exam. So Renzo, Romsky. That's why Renzo, because he's just a student, he's not allowed to view those results. Okay. So what if I'm going to take exam again because I only got 50%? I'll take the quiz again. I can take the quiz again. So this one is false. That is correct. This one hundreds. So that's the significant place value where I'm going to compare the rest. This one is the ones. This one is the significant place value here. Used to compare is the thousands, and the significant place value here can be used to compare is in the tens. Next question. This one is less than 305. Finish. So I've got 6 out of 6. My score is 100%. So this one. If I'm going back to the results, I've got 2 attempts here. First attempt only got 50. The second attempt I got 100. And Renzo got 83. If Renzo will take his second attempt, then let him take again the quiz, either here or here. So this one hundreds, this one tens, this one is the ones, and this one is the thousands. All correct. This one is 345 is less than 346 is correct. This one is false. So I'm going to finish it. I've got 100%. If I'll go to my results, here is my first attempt, here is my second attempt. Again, if I click that one, I'm not allowed. But if I'm the teacher, and I go to this particular quiz, all the results, I can see the results and I can record the results. Okay, so Renzo got 100 in his second attempt. His first attempt was 4 minutes ago. Only got 83%. My first attempt was just 50 and my second attempt is now 100%. Okay, so this system here is based on Drupal 8, plus I added or installed the quiz module for Drupal 8. Both are available for free online. If you want to learn how to install and configure a system like this on your computer at home or even in a hosting server so that it will be available online to your students, you can write a comment below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will get notified once I upload new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.